If you've ever sent 500 sales emails and only got 2 replies and both of them said not interested, this video will explain exactly why. Because the problem isn't your copy, and no, it's not your offer either. It's the list you're building from. I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years, and across everything I've seen, there's one common pattern. When outreach fails, it's almost always because the list was wrong from the start. In this video, I'll show you how to build a leads list made up of people who actually fit your business and are far more likely to be interested in when you reach out. I'm talking about finding the exact people who are actively looking for the products or services you sell and getting their verified email addresses and phone numbers so you can actually reach them. That means more replies, more booked meetings, and less wasted effort. Here's why most sales outreach breaks down. People blast LinkedIn DMs, scrape random data off the internet, or buy huge outdated lists and hope something sticks. And when it doesn't work, they all start screaming, cold email is dead. But outreach doesn't fail because messaging doesn't work anymore. It fails because the list was already broken before the first message was ever sent. Before you hit send, there are 3 things that have to be true. And if even one of these is missing, everything downstream starts to fall apart. First, the data itself has to be accurate. If your emails aren't reaching real inboxes, the conversation never even starts. It doesn't matter how good your message is. Second, you need to be targeting the right companies and the right people inside those companies. And third, you need some kind of signal that the timing or fit might actually make sense right now. Something that suggests this person is worth reaching out to today, not just hoping you catch them at the perfect moment. When you combine those 3, outreach stops feeling random and starts becoming predictable. With a smaller, more targeted list, you can actually take the time to personalize your outreach, which is where response rates really start to climb. Now I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a real targeted outreach list step by step so you can see how these pieces actually come together. The tool I've been using for this is called Prospeo, and it lets you generate high quality targeted leads for pretty much any industry in just a few minutes. To get started, just click link below and you can hit get started for free, and then you can create your free account in a few seconds. You just enter your email address and your info here or sign up with Google, and with my link you actually get 100 credits per month for free forever. So plenty of credits to try this out. So the first thing we needed in order to get better results from your outreach was to start with accurate data, and that's exactly why we're using Prospeo. Prospeo has over 300 million profiles with a 98% accuracy rate. And the reason it's so accurate is because they actually refresh their data every 7 days. The point is that the leads we'll be generating in Prospeo will have verified email addresses and phone numbers so that we know we're reaching the right people. So now that our data is accurate, the next step is to make sure that we're reaching out to the right people. Simply put, if you're targeting the wrong people, you're just wasting your time. So what you want to do instead is make a ideal customer profiles. And so you can see the yellow boxes here are the minimum amount that you need, and the blue boxes are optional. So basically what we're doing here is we're coming up with our absolute best customers. So if you are already running your business, think about who your actual best customers are, the ones that want your services, create the least problems for you. Or if you're not operating yet, think about who you think would be your best customers. And so at a minimum, you want to know what industry they're in, where they're located, and what their job titles are. So it's the right company and the right title. That's the bare minimum. And so as an example, maybe we're trying to go after dentists. So it could be dentistry, United States, and the job titles could be dentist, cosmetic dentist, dental surgeon. So let's say we are some sort of agency and we want to reach out to those people. Now, every business is different, so I'm trying to keep this a little bit broad. Depending on the type of business you're in and who you're targeting, it might be relevant for you to have revenue. It might be relevant for you to know how many years this business has been operating or how many employees they have. The more specific you can be, the better. So now that we have our ICP, we can hop into Prospeo and quickly generate our list. So here's the Prospeo dashboard, and honestly, it couldn't be any easier. All you do is enter the filters and it pops out the list. Let me show you. So we decided that in our example, we are going after dentists here. And so let's start with job titles. You could just type dentist, and Prospeo is smart enough to not only show you the list here, but also put in other obvious modifiers so you don't have to come up with every single one of these options. So we did have cosmetic dentist and dental surgeon in here, and we could add them if we want, but you can see some of them are already here, like cosmetic dentist, so I don't need to add that. And so the more I put in here, then the more it's going to populate. Now, if you only want to go after dental surgeons, then you might want to say match only exact job titles or something, so you can be as broad or as targeted as you want depending on what exactly you are selling. Now, let's say you want to do this in the United States. Of course, you could just say New York City or a very specific location or multiple countries. If you want, you could say the United States and Canada as an example. Let's say you sell a digital service in North America, like a web agency or something. And then you always want to make sure that you want to get verified emails, and maybe you want verified phone numbers as well. It actually has a ton of verified phone numbers, which is awesome. So let's say we want both verified phone numbers and verified emails, because if you really want to get maximum impact with your outreach, don't just send emails. You want to send emails, you want to make phone calls, and you also want to message them on LinkedIn, and all of that's going to be surfaced for you here on Prospeo. So you can see we just used 3 basic filters, and already we have 28,000 results. And so of course we can filter this down a lot more if we wanted to. Let's just say we want to take out Canada, and you can see here. Now, let's say we want to reach out to Tom Watson. We can see his email. You can see his company's social profile if I open it there. And I can also see his personal social profile right here. And likewise, let's just pick another person. And so you can see their LinkedIn right here. And then we can just reveal her phone number and her email address. So we've generated a pretty good list here, and we could just go off and export this entire list and start reaching out to them. But we'd be missing the third piece of the puzzle, which is that signal. How do we know which one of these companies to reach out to? And Prospeo actually gives you quite a few different ways to cover that. So starting from the bottom here, you can actually see how many people are in that department. So let's say you reach out to marketing department specifically. Now, not so relevant for dentists, but as an example, let's say you can actually narrow this down by the number of people in that, or you can actually narrow it down by how long the person has been in that current company. How long have they been in that role? Have they actually changed jobs recently? Because sometimes if you're targeting, let's say, executive leaders, when they change jobs, they always want to make like a big splash. And so it might be a right time to come in and sort of give them your pitch. They might be more receptive to it. And in our case here, what we're going to use is technologies. Because let's say we're a web agency and we want to sell websites to these dentists. And let's say we actually specialize in WordPress. Well, we can actually type WordPress, and now it filters down the 8,000 organizations here, the dental clinics here, that have WordPress. So now we know that when we reach out about something regarding WordPress, like let's say we're selling like a really high quality WordPress dental theme or something, we know that all 8,000 of these people care about WordPress because they're on WordPress. And so that's just a simple example. You could use the technology function, you could combine it with some of the other functionalities. And again, this is always going to depend on who your ICP is, and some of these filters are going to be more relevant to you than others. Like if you're selling to bigger companies, then headcount and revenue are really important to you, right? But maybe if you're selling to dentists, then headcount and revenue aren't that important, as an example. Now, while those signals can be powerful, the most powerful signal that Prospeo offers you is actually buying intent. You can actually see which companies are actually researching the services and products that you sell. So for example, in this case, this is actually an example from my company. So I work with a lot of software companies. So I partner with software companies, and typically I work with their affiliate managers or creator managers or partnership managers. And so you can see here that I have a bunch of different titles here. And by the way, you can actually save your searches, and that's how I pulled it up so quickly, and you can just pull them back up, and so you can always get fresh results. And so the location actually isn't that important to me because software is global. And so in my case, just like an example where the dentist example, it might have been relevant, for me, it's not as relevant. And so, but industry is like software development, technology, and this is the thing that I was talking about. With Prospeo, you can actually figure out which topics these companies were researching. So you can go in here and you can find these topics, and you can see that influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, partnership marketing. I'm looking for organizations and people at the organizations that are interested in these topics. And you can see how deep they are in their research. Is it early research, active research, or in-depth research? So if I want to know which of these people are the most invested, I could just click in-depth research only. But for me, this is fine here because my list is already at 100 and I don't want to shrink it down more. And going back to our dentist example, maybe the intent topic we would have added would have been something like website design or website builders or something like that, right? Some sort of signal that tells you that they are actively looking for this kind of service. So it might have been marketing automation, social media marketing, Google Ads, whatever it is. Look for the service or products you sell in the intent signals, and you can actually have up to 12 of them. So you're going to get a nice mix, and you can actually check the ones that you want to go with at any given time. So let's say I'm specifically looking for someone who's looking for influencer marketing, I can uncheck the others. So now you can see that we just have a list of 100 leads, but it's a highly qualified, highly relevant list. And I could even cut this down further by making sure that the company is a certain size or a certain revenue if I wanted to. But the important part here is I get their phone numbers and their email addresses. And because the list is so manageable, I can actually send more personalized outreach. It's not unreasonable to send more personalized emails to a smaller list. And the most important part is not only do I get their phone number and email so I can reach them across platforms and just have more touch points, I can also send a more personalized message because the list is a lot smaller and more targeted. And then when you're ready, you can actually select all your people and you can add them to your own list, right? You can call it a list like partner managers, and you can add it to a list, and you can actually export that. And I want all 100 contacts, and you can see how many credits it's going to cost you. And so you can see with your 100 credits, you still have 65 credits left over, and you got 100 contacts and 100 highly qualified contacts. And then just hit export your records and you'll get a CSV file with all your info, just like that. And then you can actually import it into however you like to send emails. And on that note, actually Prospeo does connect with basically a ton of different tools you already use. So it doesn't try and replace anything. So you can keep your existing marketing and sales tools in CRM. So you could send sequences with something like Outreach or SalesLoft if you use that. You can use a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, or you can just connect it to basically anything else you already have using Zapier, N8N, or Make.com. Another handy tool Prospeo gives you is their Chrome extension, and you can install it in a few clicks from their Chrome store. And what it allows you to do is actually get contact details from LinkedIn profiles and company pages. So you can see here, it adds this little bar here. And so let's say I'm on this company Brevo here, then I can actually see so much information about the company. I can see what technologies they use, and I can actually see all their employees. And then I could say, look for somebody there. Like if I was looking for somebody on the partnership side, you can see Paul, partnerships manager. And let's say I can just get his phone number and his email address, or I can just add him to a list right here. So if you like to work out of LinkedIn and that's kind of your workflow, then you don't actually have to go into Prospeo. You can just work the way you work directly within LinkedIn. And what's cool is it also works on the company's website. So you actually don't have to go to LinkedIn. So if you just went to that company's website, you can do the exact same thing and you get the exact same views and everything. So you can start with LinkedIn, or you could start with the actual company. Or if you're looking up a specific person, you can just get their phone number, their email address, just like that, so that you can email them, call them, and DM them, which of course is going to give you the best chance of reaching them. At the end of the day, this isn't about sending more emails or adding more tools to your stack. It's about starting with better inputs so everything downstream actually works. If you want to try Prospeo for yourself, there's a link below. You get 100 free credits every month, which is more than enough to test this approach. Hit that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more practical lead gen and automation walkthroughs. And let me know in the comments what kind of workflow you want help with next. And now, if you want to see how you can use an AI agent that generates unlimited leads from LinkedIn and Instagram, check out this video right here. I'll see you in there.